All right, guys, so I got the clutch fixed, the throwout bearing, the line that fell out of the throwout bearing. I know you guys could barely see it in the last video because that camera was just horrible. I should never have even brought it. I should have just had Austin film with my phone. But anyways, I got it fixed. Something happened to the C-clip because the hydraulic throwout bearing doesn't actually have any, there's not fittings. So a typical fitting where they got the -3 fittings, they didn't have that. It's just a double O-ring like line that gets pressed in and gets held by like a C-clip type of deal. Something happened. I think the clutch hit the line, but it ripped out the C-clip. But I was able to get it all back together, and it is not leaking at all, and it is still working. So everything is proper. So we're good. So far we're good. Anyways, I got Lane with me today, and he's going to be riding in the car, feeling the power legitimately for the first time. And he's going to be filming with my phone because this actually gets the full experience, unlike my camera, which that last video was horrible. Basically all you guys got to see was sound, and that's not even seeing, that's hearing. So anyways, here you go, Lane.
It'd be better without the old driveshaft now too.
Oh yeah, no, this is way better.
You can see how the shakiness of the video before.
Oh yeah, the vibrations are gone.
Yeah, it's much better.
Okay, I gotta clean up all this clutch fluid. All right. What's your opinion?
Fast.
Fast?
Very fast.
Oh, gotta get to work on this damn thing too. I got my thing, which I'll just update everything in the Evo video that comes next. I got this all nicely fixed so that way I can get this engine in. Anyways, there's gonna be a little meet tonight. It's gonna be like basically a truck meet, but everybody always waits for me to show up because everybody likes to see my car, so. Alright guys, on the way to the meet. I'm not sure it's going to be much of a meet. It is kind of chilly, but I'm hungry, so we're going to go to McDonald's. I guess I'll make chickens or something. Oh, I've got the Oreo. Oh my god, I forgot my milk. Alright guys, so like I said, there wasn't very much anything of a car meet. So basically, I kind of stood there, talked to a couple people for a little bit, and then left. Anyways, so after giving Lane a ride in the car and everything, it was freaking awesome. I'm so glad that he could actually feel what real horsepower feels like and real torque. So anyways, after the meet, Lane snagged a mini flyby clip of the black car, so you guys can enjoy that. But that's gonna be it for this video. It's freaking cold outside, guys. Like, it's like 35 or 40. It's like 40 with a wind chill. But I'm gonna get some stuff edited, so yeah. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.